Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to send Cardano, ADA, from Binance to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just refreshing your skills, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you transferring your assets smoothly and securely. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll stick to the most reliable methods based on current trends, but always double-check for any platform updates. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Uphold, and that you have some Cardano in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section. It's usually at the bottom of the app or in the top menu on the website. Once there, select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet to see your assets. Next, find Cardano, ADA, in your wallet list and click on it. You'll see an option to withdraw. Hit that, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch to your Uphold account. Go to your Uphold dashboard, navigate to the Cardano wallet, and copy the receiving address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you're using the correct network. For Cardano, it's the Cardano blockchain, often labeled as ADA or Cardano network. Back on Binance, paste that Uphold address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're sending, don't forget to account for network fees, which are usually pretty low for Cardano, and the network selection. Once you're confident, click Confirm, and approve the transaction with any required 2FA or security measures. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Cardano network are typically fast, but it might take a few minutes to an hour to reflect in your Uphold account. Once it's done, log back into Uphold and check your Cardano balance to confirm the transfer. And there you have it. That's how you move your ADA from Binance to Uphold in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.